Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start at the Microsoft Family website with your parent account signed in. Once there, select Family, then Manage Family Members and pick the child account you want to edit. You're doing this because Xbox time limits live in your family settings, not on the console alone. Make sure you can edit that profile. If not, verify you're the organizer. Next, open Screen Time to reveal the Xbox device controls so you can change or remove limits immediately. Now you see the Xbox-specific screen time entries, days, start and end hours, and total playtime limits. To disable limits, either clear the scheduled hours for each day or change the Allow toggle to On so the console is unrestricted. You can also delete the entire limit. After editing, click Save so changes apply to your child's profile. Make sure the Xbox is online and signed in with that child profile so the new settings can sync to the console within minutes. Finish by confirming the console received the update. Sign the child out, then back in, or restart the Xbox so it fetches new family settings. If the time limit still appears, verify the console is online and that the child's account shows the updated setting on account. Microsoft.com. Also confirm you're listed as the family organizer. Only organizers can remove limits. If problems continue, use the Microsoft Family Safety app to push.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.